Kilts, cabers, and Celtic Festivities return to Riverside Park at the annual Aztec Highland Games and Celtic Festival. The City of Aztec will experience an 8-hour planned power outage, and swing dancers from across the four corners are invited to learn from champion-level dancers at Durango's Swing Days Ablaze. You're watching the Local News Roundup, brought to you by Home to Suites and San Juan Regional Medical Center. I am Sadie Smith. The annual Aztec Highland Games and Celtic Festival is back with more family fun on Saturday and Sunday, October 4th and 5th at Riverside Park. Gates will open at 9 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. both days. The festival will include live music from Celtic bands, Highland dance competitions, and Scottish game competitions. Men and women are invited to show their strength during the Scottish Games. All participants must wear a kilt. Attendees are asked to bring their own lawn chairs and blankets. To purchase a festival ticket or day pass, visit the Aztec Highland Games website. The City of Aztec will experience a planned overnight power outage from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Tuesday through Wednesday, October 14th and 15th. The Farmington electric utility system will perform maintenance on the transmission system in Bloomfield during the outage. All customers of the Aztec Electric Department, including residences, businesses, and street and traffic lights, will be affected. For updates and other announcements, follow the City of Aztec Facebook page. West Coast swing dancers are invited to attend a Swing Days Ablaze in Durango featuring internationally ranked champion dancers Hugo Miguez and Stacey K. The workshop weekend will be Friday through Sunday, October 10th through 12th, hosted by Durango's West Coast swing dance group, the West Slope Westies. Workshops will be at the Lightbox at Stillwater Music on Main Avenue and at the Smiley Building in Durango. Topics include refining technique as well as adding styling, musicality, and variety to your dance. Full weekend passes, day passes, and social dance-only passes are available online. Visit the West Slope Westies website for details. Learn more about these and other stories online at farmingtonlocal.news. Thank you for watching this edition of the Local News Roundup. I'm Sadie Smith.